wish y'all could see it while I was eating, while I'm eating it. Oh my goodness, I've already cleaned my hands. She told me they would be a nice size, and they are. I'm sure this is the prime steakhouse, so I'm sure the horseradish and the cocktail or homemade good and spicy. Oh my goodness. Thank you, G. Oh yeah, the horseradish is ready to go. Just put a little lemon juice in all of them. That's my way of seasoning them. So, let me show y'all how I dress them. Okay, so it's a little horseradish. This one looks really pillowy. It's already loose. Yeah, they've done a good job. It's already loose, so I'm gonna put a little horseradish. A lot of horseradish, actually, because I know it's homemade. And cocktail. I don't do hot sauce or Tabasco. And just a little lemon with a shower cap. Keep the seeds from getting in it. All right, let's go. My favorite combo: raw oysters and red wine. And I didn't anticipate this. I wasn't counting on this. I was blessed with it.